Hi friends, welcome to our live streaming. I'm Lotus. This is Vinia.
Yes. Hi friends, warmly welcome to Popular Power Living Room. This is Vinia. Yeah.
Vinia, what will we ask you today?
Yeah. Hi friends, for the following time we'll show our smart series MMA models for you. Yeah. Firstly, we will show is our digital control one, MMA 200 and the digital control.
Okay, let's first get acquainted with ARC-200D.
Yeah.
Vinia, I heard that ARC machine is easy for green hand.
Yeah.
Could you please tell us what's the major features of this one?
Yeah. Hi friends, for this machine, it is user-friendly, especially for the green hand, for the fresh hand, because as you see, firstly, it is small, compact, yeah, easy to carry, and so it is mainly for the DIY market, and it both has the MMA function and the lift-TIG function.
Wow, that's cool.
It is household widely used on the kitchenware and farm fence. We say it is user-friendly for the fresh hand because its function is perfect. It has the synergy function. Synergy function. When you can choose the electrode size you will weld, and the machine will match the amperage for you automatically.
Okay, automatically.
Yeah, we'll show this function for you later. Yeah, and as you see, it is light to carry, right?
So it has a handle on top for easy carry.
Yeah.
I will take it home.
Okay. Hi friends. As you see, it is compact and robust. We can take to any workplace. Really easy for storage and transportation, right?
Right.
And secondly, for the ARC-200 digital machine, it has the arc force and the anti-sticking hot start technology. And for all those technology, for all those functions, it is adjustable. So hi friends, for this machine, it is has the adjustable arc force, hot start, and anti-sticking, so you can adjust the parameter according your requirements.
Fantastic. I think green hand will feel confident by using our ARC-200D. Any more?
Sure. Also, maybe we can show the accessories of this machine to our friends firstly. Okay.
Okay.
The accessories.
Okay. Accessories.
Yeah.
First, what's this?
Yeah. It's the MMA welding cable. As you see, it is a standard accessory.
Second,
and this is the earth cable.
Both are copper?
Yeah.
Mask.
Yeah, it's the mask. For this accessory, it's the optional one. And
hammer.
Yeah. Optional.
Brush.
One. Yeah, brush.
Okay, accessory finished.
Yeah.
Next.
Also for this machine, it has a fantastic function. It is a VRD function. VRD function can keep the user safe.
Okay, VRD function to keep the operator safety.
Yeah. So hi friends, if you have the VRD requirements, you can choose this machine. This machine have this kind of function. Okay. Maybe we can show this the function of this machine from the front. Demo it to the friends.
Okay. Next, let's take a look at its panel.
Okay. As you see, it is the welding model. Welding function, you can see it is the MMA welding function. The maximum amperage is 200. It is real 200.
So the red switch is to adjust the ampere.
Yeah, this is for adjusting the amperage. And this is the lift-TIG. So hi friends, for this machine, it both has MMA function and the lift-TIG function.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Both
also the synergic function. The synergic function will make your work easy. So we say it is user-friendly for the fresh hand, for the green hand. We can show you more about the synergic function here. As you see, this is the electrode you choose. The machine will match the amperage automatically for you. So I think it's perfect, right friends? When you get the electrode, you would like to weld, but you don't know the amperage. What's the amperage you want to set? This machine will tell you. So this machine can be your teacher. He will tell you automatically. So it will be very easy for the fresh hand, for the green hand. I think this function is perfect. In the market, it is seldom to find the machine, find this function in the market. I think it is seldom. It is seldom to find this function for the MMA welding machine. We can show you again for the synergic function here. As you see, firstly, we choose 2.0 electrode. When you would like to weld a 2.0 electrode, the machine will set 90 amperage for you. And when you choose 2.5 electrode, and the machine will show the amperage for you automatically. So you can just weld, needn't to adjust the amperage. It is intelligent, right? Now it is 3.2. The machine will show 150. Generally, I think it is perfect. Hi friends, if you are interested in this kind of machine, intelligent one, right, Lotus?
Right. Vinia, can you make a final conclusion about its feature to us?
Yeah, I'm happy to do it. Hi friends, as you see, firstly, this machine is compact but robust. I say it is compact because, as you see, it is lightweight and easy to carry. And it is easy for storage and easy for
transportation.
Yeah, right. And but I say it is robust because it is powerful, strong, powerful. The small machine can weld 5.0 electrode. 5.0 electrode. Friends, for this machine, it can weld 5.0 electrode.
5.0 electrode.
Yeah, for our 200 machine, it can weld 5.0 electrode. If you are interested in it. In addition, the machine can match the output, the welding current to the operator automatically. The operator can just tell this machine what's the electrode size he will weld, and the machine will recommend the
electrode current.
The current, the output current to it. So I think it is intelligent.
Right.
And it is user friendly for fresh hand and green hand. Right, friends?
Right.
Okay. Also, it has the arc force, hot start, and this leaking function, right? Also has the VRD function.
VRD function.
Yeah, VRD function, and also it has the MMA function and the lift-TIG function.
Right.
Not only MMA but also lift-TIG, right?
Right.
Yeah. Also, for the input voltage, it can not only work with 220, it can also work with 110. So friends, if you need the machine to work with 110, please contact us. Our machine can meet your requirements.
Okay.
Also for the European customer, you know, for the European customer, maybe you have the CE certificate requirement. Don't worry, our machine can provide you with the CE certificate.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yes, that's fantastic. So, customers, friends, if you have any requirement, just contact us.
Now, friends, good news coming.
Good news coming. So keep stay with us. We'll give you the discount for
discount
this
promotion here.
Yeah, discount promotion here. Hi, friends. Just keep stay with us and contact us. Yeah, we'll have the discount for you for this machine. 10% discount.
Not only this machine, but every model you
are interested in.
Yes.
So just please contact us.
But only during this live streaming. So please be hurry.
Yes. So please catch this opportunity.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Now, thanks for watching.
Yes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.